Looking for a hassle-free way to protect your car battery from draining when your vehicle sits unused? Wuerthco Battery Doctor Quick Release Battery Bolts offer a smart solution that replaces your standard 5/16" battery terminal bolts with ease and no tools required. These bolts feature anti-corrosive steel construction and color-coded polypropylene levers for simple, reliable use every time. What makes these bolts stand out is their cam-action design, which lets you tighten or loosen your battery connection quickly without any wrenches or screwdrivers. This means you can disconnect your battery in seconds to prevent electrical drain, especially if you don't have access to a trickle charger. The bolts come as a pair, making it easy to upgrade both battery terminals at once. For over 30 years, Wuerthco has built a reputation for crafting practical, user-friendly products that make automotive maintenance safer and more convenient. These quick-release bolts reflect that legacy by combining durability with straightforward functionality. The anti-corrosive steel ensures long-lasting performance even in tough conditions, while the color-coded levers help you avoid mix-ups during installation or removal. One customer praised the device as a great money saver, noting how simple it was to install despite the instructions being a bit unclear. With just a little intuition, the entire setup took less than 20 minutes and worked exactly as intended. This kind of ease and effectiveness can make a real difference if you want to avoid battery replacement costs caused by slow discharge. If you're someone who leaves their vehicle idle for extended periods or struggles with battery drain, this quick-release bolt system is worth a look. It's designed to give you peace of mind by letting you disconnect your battery safely and effortlessly, without the need for extra tools or complicated steps. Ready to simplify your battery maintenance and protect your investment? Try Wuerthco Battery Doctor Quick Release Battery Bolts when you're ready to upgrade your setup. They offer a straightforward, proven way to keep your battery healthy and ready to go, whether you're storing your car or just want easier battery access. Just a note, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer or reproductive harm, so handle it with care and follow safety guidelines. Otherwise, these quick-release bolts are a practical addition to your automotive toolkit, combining durability, convenience, and smart design in one package.